Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Xlookup function in Excel, which is a more advanced and flexible alternative to the VLOOKUP that we looked at the last time. So VLOOKUP has some limitations in Excel, whereas Xlookup is the perfect solution. So let's get right into it. So it equals to um, Xlookup here. So as you can see, it searches a value to return an item from a range. Yeah. So let's go back to the cell. So basically, Xlookup is used to search for the value in one column and returns a matching value from another column, just like VLOOKUP, but with more power. Yeah, with more command. So Xlookup has this syntax. So basically, Xlookup as lookup value, which is the value you want to search for. The value you want to search for. Lookup array is the range where the lookup value is located, and return array here is the corresponding value, is the range where the corresponding value here should be returned from. Yes, the range where the corresponding value should be returned from. And we have the if not found. It is basically what to display if the value is not found. If you can find it, what to display if not found. It can be a value, it can be a string. Yeah. So and we have match mode here. We have match mode. Match mode determines exact or approximate matching. Yes. And we have search mode also last. And search mode is it controls the search direction, so whether from top to bottom or from bottom to top. Yes, this is basically what about the syntax of Xlookup. So let's get right to it. Let's move on. So we have equals to Xlookup. So but before starting your Xlookup function, before using it, you have to make sure your data is structured properly. Yeah, let's make sure your data is structured properly. So and again, unlike VLOOKUP, Xlookup doesn't require the lookup column to be the first column. Yeah, I said in VLOOKUP that it has to be the first column, yes, to the right. But for Xlookup, it doesn't require the lookup column to be the first column. It can basically search anywhere. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So we have a equals to Xlookup. Yeah, so here we want to use the patient's full name. Yeah, what we are going to search for. So we click on the patient's full name, what we're going to search for, and we hit comma. The next thing is to have the lookup array. Yeah, lookup array is so like I said, is just the range basically. So it's going to be searching for A2 in this patient's full name. Yes. Yeah, and we hit comma. Yeah. The next thing is the return array. So what it's going to return on that row when it finds it. So let's say I want it to return the patient's email. Yeah. Once it finds it, return me the patient's email. And that's it. Really simple. So and I click enter. As you can see, it has returned Shin Glasspool's email right here. And I'm going to just populate it for the rest of them. Yeah, done, easy peasy here. So the next thing we are looking at is Xlookup for multiple rows. Yeah, so you can return more than one output. Yes, in Xlookup. So let's just write the syntax again. Here we see equals to Xlookup and the lookup value, comma, and the lookup array, which is the patient full name here, comma, then our return array. Yeah, our return array, and I want it to return multiple rows, which is the date and also the patient's email. Yeah, and I hit enter. Yeah, as you can see, it has returned me the date and the patient's email. Yeah, and I populate this for the rest of it. Easy peasy. So yeah, One of the downside and what I'm not a huge fan of in XLOOKUP multiple rows is the columns you need has to be next to each other. So, but it's a small downside though. It has to be next to each other. For example, I want to return the patient age. I don't need the patient word. I need the date and email. So I have to select the column I don't need also and return. Yeah. So that's just one of the downside, but it's a small downside though. So moving on. We'll be moving to exact match here. We'll be moving to exact match, and uh, so we'll be looking at if not found and match mode. Yes, so let's get to it. So when we hit equals to x lookup here, and we do the same thing. We hit this and our lookup array, which is our patient full name right here. Then we hit comma, then our patient email, return array, with comma. The next thing we have here is if not found. So if shin glass is not found in the patient's full name, what should you return if not found? So I'm just going to say not found. Yeah. So I'm just going to say that. As you can see, it didn't find shin glass. Exact match. It didn't find shin glass. So if not found, return not found. So Shinglass pool is in the patient's full name, but Shinglass is not, so it is going to return not found. Again, when I hit equals to hex lookup, yeah, and I select both, comma, and my lookup array, comma, and my return array, patient email, yeah, comma, I have the not if not found, okay, select my not found, yeah, and I hit comma. We have match mode here, and we have four different options. We can either choose 0, which is exact match, can choose -1, which is um, exact match or next smaller item, and we have 1 exact match or next larger item, and we have 2, which is the wildcard character match. So we'll be treating this wildcard character match, and we can just hit 2. Yes. Something I need to say about this wildcard. When I click enter for wildcard, enter, as you can see, it is not found. It didn't work. Why? Because we didn't include a wildcard option in our function. Yeah, in our function here. So when I include here a wildcard here and this, as you can see, when I click enter, it has returned wildcard both. But and if you notice, I added this wildcard before both. Yeah, why? Because both is actually a last name, and I have a first name before both. So I included this wildcard before both. Yes. So that is why it returned Richard Buff for me, because I included 2 as a wildcard character match, and I also included a wildcard. So if I populate this for the rest, it is going to do the same, because Starlack is also a last name as well as Owen Corps. So the next thing is this Winter here. So Winter is a first name and not the last name. So what we have to do here is to include the word character match after Winter. So what we just have to do here is to take away this word card, code hand here. So I've added my word card after Winter because my last name is after Winter. So I click on enter. So it has also searched for winter after, and it has given me the return array. So when I click here for the rest, it has given me. So we have Bill. Bill is also a first name, so it's going to work because my wildcard is after Bill as well as Will. So that is just all about this exact match. I will be treating the rest later in our next video, and that is how you basically use the Xlookup function in Excel. It is more powerful, and it is flexible. It's a flexible alternative to VLOOKUP, and you can make your work, it can make your work much more easier. So if you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. So let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. See you. Bye.